Euro and ZD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this currency pair Euro and ZD, Euro against New Zealand dollar. Before we get into the technical analysis, before that make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button after you have seen the video till the end, okay? So watch this video till the end, and if you find this information useful, then subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to see these updates on daily basis. And then we have some links below the video. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. So if you click on this link, you will be taken to this page where you can see all these proofs. And this is the method especially for newbies, just in case if somebody is a newbie and they don't want to get into manual trading and learn all this technical analysis and all that, then you can do this forex trading using a software, the expert advisor on automation as well. More details you will find inside this course. The second link says here, join my Telegram channel, which is absolutely free. So if you want some free signals now and then make sure you are into my Telegram channel. And it says check out best prop firm and forex brokers. So once you click on this link, you will be taken to this page. Here you can join the world's #1 forex prop firm. So in case you want to trade with huge amount but you don't have that money, but if you have the skill to pass that test and then go ahead and use somebody else's money and trade and make your profits, you know how prop firm works, right? So this is the #1 prop firm for international users. Go ahead and check this out. But if you want to use your own money for trading, then you can sign up with these brokers, and then let's get started. Okay, so let's come back to the analysis here. Before that, disclaimer quickly, my videos are for educational purposes only, and I do not take any responsibility for your profits and losses. Disclaimer I have to say. And then my videos are also not for scalpers. So in case you are a 5-minute trader or 15-minute trader, my analysis will help you to identify the long-term trend. How will you use it? It's entirely up to you, because I mainly don't support any short-term trading. Okay, so short-term here for me means below 30 minutes. I mainly go for 4-hour daily and weekly. Okay, so now let's start with the top-down approach of Euro NZD. So if you go on to the weekly chart, let me see. On the weekly, we have week 1, week 2, week 3. So this is the third week which has started just today. Okay, so last 2 weeks had been down, but overall trend is upwards. Okay, so we are above the EMA, so the trend is up, and then the daily trend is also still above EMA, so daily trend is also up. And in 4-hour, let's see, in 4-hour we are in the downtrend. Okay, however, new high had been created. So if you see this one in 4-hour, so this previous high was broken, which means now this sell trend is over and we are in the uptrend. So we will make another low and then we will push towards the EMA and break the EMA. Okay, so when should we enter? So for now, even if you don't consider 4-hour, weekly is buy. As you can see, weekly is buy, daily is buy. So we have two confirmations that 2 time frames are showing us that the trend is up, which is the confirmation. Okay, so if out of 3 time frames 2 are in the same direction, that means that's the trend. Okay, so we are in the buy trend in Euro NZD. We are going to take only buy opportunities. Well, this is how much people will tell you in their YouTube videos. But after that, they will say, if you want to know when to enter, when to exit, then join my paid Telegram channel, join my membership. Nothing wrong in that. Okay. And I think people should charge money for doing the analysis. That's fine. They charge you thousands of dollars as well for their courses. I don't think anything is wrong in that. But for now, there's nobody out there on the internet, I think, who will give you exactly when to enter the trades and when to exit for free, actually, in these YouTube 5 minutes analysis. Okay. So anyways, so when should you enter? Let's use some common sense. So I mean, if everybody knew, then why would we be doing analysis? Okay, so let me do the work. So we have this blue candle. Okay, now when should we enter? Well, for now we know we should enter buy, but when? Okay, so sometimes you will get the entry signal in daily. Sometimes you will get the entry signal in 4-hour chart. I'm talking about swing traders only. Okay, so we have this new high, which means it has taken the pullback, and now it's gonna go up and touch down this again, this new high. Okay, so whenever we will enter, we will look for this candle. So let's say if we go back to 4-hour now. Okay, In 4 hour, we will definitely enter when we have crossed this EMA. Okay, so right now the EMA is at 92467. So if the blue candle closes above this EMA, if the blue candle closes above 9250, 9260, that's where we will enter buy trade. Okay, so let's say there will be a blue candle which will close at 1.9260. We will enter there, and then we will come to the daily chart. What will be our take profit? Our take profit will be around this candle. So this candle is closing at 9804. Okay, 9800, and we will enter at 92. Oh my god, I just gave you 700 500 pips. If you enter here and then you take profit here, I give you 500 pips profit for free. I charged you nothing. Tell me who does that. Okay, and people who do that, they charge you money because you are already into their course or into their membership. Okay, yeah. So I gave you plus more than 500 pips for free. I gave you. Okay, so again you go back to 4 hour. You enter when the EMA crosses above, which means you will enter around 1.9260. And from 1.9260, if you keep holding your trades, first profit you can take here. Okay, so let's make it until this blue candle. So this is closing at 9517. So from 9250 until 9500, which means it's easily more than 250 pips. Even if you don't wait until here, you only close at this blue candle, still you will be making 250 pips profit. So what else do you want for free, man? Subscribe and like if you see if you like what you see. It's free. Subscribe and like. Okay, and then I will give you a pro tip before you leave. Bro tip and babe tip. If you're a male, it's a bro tip. If you're a female, it's a babe tip. Use, or rather know your lot size. Okay, you don't lose your money because of high leverage. You lose your money because you use high lot size. More details maybe in the next video. For now, go and check out the link, subscribe, like, do whatever your job is. As in, if I'm giving you everything for free, your job is at least to share this video and subscribe and like and check out these links. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.